We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names, pronunciations and company names. For reference, in German it's said as Schaeffler, Schaeffler, German manufacturer. In English, easy, Schaeffler. We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names, pronunciations and company names. For reference, in German it's said as Schaeffler, Schaeffler, German manufacturer. In English, easy, Schaeffler. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.